Introducing the SakerPlus Car Vacuum Cleaner, an innovative cleaning solution designed to elevate your tidying experience to new heights. With its cutting-edge brushless motor, dual filter system, and compact portability, this handheld vacuum offers unparalleled efficiency and convenience. From tackling dust and debris in your car interior to maintaining a pristine living space, this vacuum cleaner delivers powerful suction, whisper-quiet operation, and extended battery life. Equipped with versatile accessories and user-friendly features, it's your go-to cleaning companion for a clutter-free environment. Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning routines and hello to effortless, effective tidying with this vacuum cleaner. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient cleaning performance. This vacuum cleaner impresses with its cutting-edge brushless motor, delivering unparalleled cleaning efficiency. This advanced motor technology ensures robust suction power, allowing for thorough cleaning of various surfaces. Whether it's removing dust, crumbs, or debris from your car interior, or tidying up small messes around the house, the SakerPlus vacuum gets the job done swiftly and effectively. Number 2. Enhanced durability and whisper-quiet operation. Due to its brushless motor design, this vacuum cleaner not only offers superior cleaning performance, but also boasts enhanced durability. With fewer moving parts, the risk of wear and tear is significantly reduced, ensuring long-term reliability. Additionally, despite its powerful suction capabilities, this vacuum operates quietly, allowing for discreet cleaning without disturbing others nearby. Number 3. Dual filter system for clean air. Equipped with both a fine steel filter and a HEPA filter, this vacuum cleaner ensures the air in your surroundings remains clean and fresh. The washable HEPA filter effectively captures allergens and fine particles, while the upgraded fine steel filter extends the vacuum's service life. This dual filtration system provides peace of mind, particularly for individuals with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Number 4. Convenient charging and battery management. Featuring a Type-C charging cable, this vacuum cleaner offers hassle-free recharging, eliminating the need for proprietary chargers. Additionally, the inclusion of battery indicator lights keeps users informed of the remaining battery life, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. With dual adjustable modes, users can customize the cleaning experience based on their specific needs, whether tackling quick touch-ups or deep cleaning tasks. Number 5. Compact portability and effortless handling. Weighing just 1.57 pounds and boasting a compact form factor, this vacuum cleaner is designed for effortless handling and portability. Its small footprint allows for easy storage in closets, cupboards, or car trunks, ensuring it's always within reach whenever cleaning is required. Maneuvering this vacuum cleaner is a breeze due to its ergonomic design, making cleaning tasks less cumbersome and more enjoyable. Number 6. Versatile accessories and features. This vacuum cleaner comes equipped with a range of accessories and features to enhance its versatility and usability. From specialized attachments for different surfaces to user-friendly controls, this vacuum adapts to various cleaning needs with ease. Whether you're vacuuming upholstery, carpets, or hard-to-reach crevices, this vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning results every time. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 7.8 inches length by 2.7 inches width by 7 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The SakerPlus Car Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a reliable and versatile cleaning solution that exceeds expectations. Its blend of advanced technology, convenient features, and ergonomic design makes it a valuable asset for maintaining cleanliness in both vehicles and living spaces. With its powerful suction, durable construction, and user-friendly operation, this vacuum cleaner simplifies the cleaning process while delivering exceptional results. Whether you're a busy parent, a meticulous car owner, or anyone in between, investing in this vacuum cleaner promises to streamline your cleaning routine and keep your surroundings pristine with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.